Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering up the PS5 and ensuring the DualSense Edge has charge. A low battery interrupts pairing. Once done, sign into your user account and open Settings, then Accessories so menus are ready. Next, connect the controller with a USB-C cable to the console. This forces initial recognition. Make sure you have a backup controller or cable nearby in case the Edge doesn't respond, because that lets you complete setup without stopping here. Now set the DualSense Edge into pairing mode by holding Create and the PS button for 5 to 7 seconds until the light blinks. That tells the PS5 it's discoverable. On your console, navigate to Settings, Accessories, General Bluetooth Accessories, and select the Edge when it appears. After connection, go into Accessories settings to fine-tune button mapping, stick sensitivity, and save a profile. This is where you adapt the controller to how you play. Improving accuracy, finish by testing the controller in the Quick Menus Accessories panel. Check haptics, adaptive triggers, and button responses so you know everything functions. If the console prompts, install controller firmware updates under System software to fix bugs and improve performance. If you still encounter connection problems, use a paperclip to press the reset pinhole on the controller, then reconnect via USB and pair again. This often clears persistent states and restores normal operation quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.